Hi, welcome to Taft's Tutorials. Today I've been asked to do a little something in GIMP, and what I've been asked to do is how to put an image into a document like so. So if I remove these, this is the image that we've started with. We've got a notebook on a page, and add another layer. In this case, we've put the Taft's Tutorials logo in. If you grab the layer and bring it over to your tab with your notebook on and drop it into place, first we will scale it. Shift and S to scale it. We'll bring it down to roughly the size of the notebook and hit enter. And now we'll go to the transform tools. And the transform tool that we want to choose is the unified transform, because we will use that to line everything up with the edges of the notebook. So I'm only going to do this very quickly to give a basic idea. And here we go. So this puts everything into the right shape and perspective for the object that you're putting on. This can be a computer screen, it can be a chopping board, it can be a road, it can be a notebook like this, and then enter or transform. Now in this particular instance it's a little too dark. You can use the overlay or try one of the color formats for the display, or alternatively you can always just turn the opacity down a little. I personally like the overlay. It looks far more natural and it looks like it's part of the notebook. Then what I've done is I've taken the image of a pen, removed the background, and yet again if we click on the layer and drag it over to the tab that's got our image on, and there we go, we have the pen on a new layer. So what we can do is we can move that out of the way here, use the rotate tool to move it around a bit, so we'll go at about that angle and move it off to the side. A little addition that I like to do here is if you go into the filters, light and shadow, drop shadow, there we go, you can see it automatically adds a little shadow underneath there. We can change the angle of the shadow to put it behind us. You can make it a bit more blurry, you can grow the shadow, and click OK, and there we go. We have our second image that we've worked on put onto a notebook with a pen on top. I hope that helps.